Want to open an FNB account online? I'll guide you through the process so it's easy to follow. Start by opening the FNB app on your phone. If you're on a computer, just use your browser to access FNB online banking. Once you're on the home screen, look carefully for the button that says Open an Account. In the app, it's usually under the Accounts section, so scroll down a little if you don't see it right away. On the website, it's often highlighted on the home page or top menu. When you find it, tap or click to begin. You'll be asked to choose the type of account you want. FNB offers options like Easy Account, Smart Account, and Premier Account, so pick the one that suits your needs. Next, enter your personal details. This includes your full name, South African ID number, and contact information. Make sure everything is accurate. You'll then need to upload your documents. South Africans should have a clear copy of their ID and proof of residence, while foreign nationals need a passport and a valid permit. Make sure the photos are clear, with all edges visible. After submitting your information, FNB will verify your details. This may take a few minutes. Once approved, you'll get an SMS or email confirming your new account along with your account number. You can now log into the FNB app or online banking to start using your account. If you want a bank card, FNB will arrange for it to be delivered or collected from a branch. And that's it. You now know exactly how to open an FNB account online.